Okay, so here is a shape that's being styled in CSS. This is a div that I have ID circle, and then CSS, it gives it the div a width, the height, and the background color of red, which obviously makes it look like this, and then a border radius of 50%. If we wanted to turn this circle into a different shape, we can just style the CSS slightly different, like I have here. Thought I'd be a little slick and just comment that out, but apparently that's not as easy as it looks. And there it is. Now it's an oblong, and what you can see here is that the width is longer, and their border radius is 100px slash 50px to give it a different shape. There we go.